Hi and welcome to the Senorita JJ Land 2013, and now we're about to ask these ladies of what are their opinions for the given questions which will be asked them by the judges that they are going to pick. So, ladies, we will now begin the question and answer portion. When I call your numbers, you will proceed here in the Q&A portion stage. Got it? Okay. First up, we begin with contestant number 1, SpongeBob SquarePants. Woo! Hello, candidate number 1, SpongeBob SquarePants. You pick a question from judge number 2, Birdie Ariana. Miss Birdie, your question from Miss SpongeBob SquarePants. What is the special place in your heart that gives you an immunity and strength about your everyday problem in your life? Well, I admit that my heart is always strong, and I just want to say that I don't have any mistakes in my life which will give me some bad days for me. So that's all. Thank you. Thank you, Miss SpongeBob SquarePants, for that dumb question. Candidate number 3, Alyssa Goncalves. Your question comes from judge number 2 again, Birdie Ariana. I hope that you will not be offended by this question. Is it hard to be a panda? Well, I just want to say that it's not really hard to be a panda. That's really a mistake for you to ask me that question, because I am going to ask a question to you. It is hard to be a bird, a beautiful bird, but your face is like a clown. Ha 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 ha. What a funny, what a funny answer. Candidate number 3, Alyssa Goncalves. You may now proceed on the stage. Oh. Well, Daisy, I admit that her question is not really good at all. Candidate number 6, Vanessa Goncalves. Your question comes from judge number 1, Ariana Chitae. Hey Ariana, your question from Miss Senorita JJ Land number 6, Vanessa Goncalves. What is something that you have done that you will never do again? Ano? Well, I just want to say that whatever experience you have, good or bad, you've learned from it. That's just life. But I just something encountered probably my siblings from growing up, because you can then appreciate from growing up because you've been to your parents, but all of us fight with our sisters, right? But I don't regret it. Thank you. Candidate number 6, Vanessa Goncalves. Senorita 8, Pam Pam Osorio. Good morning, Pam Pam. The question comes again from Ariana Chitae. Some countries still practice death penalty. Is it acceptable and why? I don't think that it is acceptable because life is very important. It is even more expensive than yours. Thank you. Thank you very much, candidate number 8, Pam Pam Osorio. Candidate number 9 is Stefania Fernandez. Your question comes from judge number 3, Nazaret Cascante. Nude beaches, appropriate or inappropriate? Well, some countries have their own lifestyle and some countries have their own rules. And some countries have their people which is free to do what they want. And so I believe none of us humans have the right to judge them of what they want to do, because everyone have the right to be free. Thank you. Woo! Thank you very much, contestant number 9, Stefania Fernandez. Thank you very much. Candidate number 13, Ariela Valeriana. Your question comes from Judge number 3 again, Nazareth Cascante. Go. Name one lesson in life that we men can teach men. Okay, Ariela, life lesson that women can teach men. Go. One lesson in life that we women can teach men is being sensitive, because we all know that men are more logical when it comes to decision. They're usually more rational, straightforward. Unlike we women, we use our heart and we tend to get emotional in spite of our decisions. Woo! So that's it for me. That sensitivity is one lesson that we women can teach to men. Thank you. Thank you, madam. Thank you again, Ariela Valeriana, for that good question. Candidate number 17, Teddy Bean. Okay, judge number 2, Birdie Ariana, to ask your question. Are you close with Mr. Bean? No, I'm not close with Mr. Bean because I didn't really seen him even in person, and I didn't even sleep with him. And I have one question for you. Are you close with Humpty Dumpty? Thank you very much. Okay, thank you, Teddy Bean. Candidate number 19, Catalina Robayo. Your question comes again from judge number 2, Birdie Ariana. Hey, Birdie, your question. How does it feel to have a circle head? Well, whenever you did it in purpose, I feel good with my head, and I always be proud of it. And so you are. Are you proud of who you are? And I have my faith and my principles for my family, and I require to follow these for the rest of my life. So whenever appearance that God gave me, I will always be proud of it. So, shame of you, please. Okay, Birdie Ariana, if you don't want to be bashed, please stop making questions which is really negative. Like you, I wear swimsuits when I compete. What can you say to people that cause them to sexual attraction? It's not just the way that we dress that we show our true selves. We can show ourselves by wearing evening gown or bikini. But the most important of who we are is we show our true selves using our hearts. Woo! Thank you very much, candidate number 22, Lin Tan. And finally, candidate number 7 from Elvina. Bianca Matalo, your question comes from Nazareth Cascante. I hope that you will never get offended about this question. Name a worse person that gives you a worse, um, uh, that gives you a worse taste about your physical appearance. I don't want to name a person's name which tease me about my physical appearance. I'm just proud of who I am, and that's all that matters. Thank you very much to our tough judges, and thank you all ladies for answering the judges' questions. Up next, the crowning of the Señorita J.J. Land Queens.